Hey YouTube, this is AI Enigma here. So this is our 11th session in Road to Cat LRDI series. As usual, I will provide the PDF of the session in the comment section below, so you can try the set yourself. And once you have tried it, you can look at the solution. So this is the set. Four friends, Anvi, Sanvi, Pinty, and Sonti, are playing a game of house. Each of them has one ticket with a total of 9 numbers printed on it. Ishan is hosting the game. He announces one number at a time. If the number announced by Ishan matches one of the numbers on a player's ticket, the player cuts the number on their ticket. Prices are as follows. First four, the players who cuts the first four numbers on a ticket first. First eight, the players who cuts the first eight number on a ticket first. Full house, the players who cuts all the numbers on a ticket first. The game ends. When one player achieves full house, until then all players continue playing. So this is a standard set. It says there are four players who are playing a game, and Ishan is the one who is announcing the numbers. Once he announces the number, the individuals who possess the ticket, if the number is on the ticket, they cuts the number, and the game ends when one of the players cuts all the numbers on a ticket. Until then, the game is continued, and there are three prizes. First, the one who finishes the cuts first four numbers on a ticket first is going to get the prize of first four. The one who cuts eight numbers on a ticket first is going to get the first eight, and full house is the one when all of the numbers of on their ticket is going to be, you can say, crossed. So this is the basic set that the question is asking, the basic information that the question is providing. Now first thing is that Pinty won the full house prize. Let's go on to the next, because there would be a space right now, and I can mediate a lot better onto this because I might be needing this space in some case. So first condition, we have Pinty won the full house prize. So we don't know which of this candidate is Pinty, but we definitely know for sure that Pinty is going to win the full house prize. Okay, so we will keep that in mind. So Pinty won the full house prize. All three prizes were won by different players. Sanvi, who had the maximum number of perfect squares on a ticket, did not win any prize. So we have all the four prizes, all the three prizes that are going to be won, they are not going to won by the same player. So one of the candidates going to win the full house, we know that is Pinty. Then we have the first four in first eight, they are going to be win by different player. Okay, and Sanvi did not win any prize, and Sanvi has the maximum number of perfect square on tickets. So let's check for the perfect square. So this ticket has one, which is a perfect square. Then 25 is a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square. So this orange ticket has three perfect squares. Let's check for blue. 4 is a perfect square, 49 is a perfect square. So only two perfect squares. Yellow on, we have 4 is a perfect square, 5 is not, 12 is not, 22 is not, 30 is not, and 49 only 2. And then we have green, 9 is a perfect square, 12 is not, 17 is, 25 is a perfect square, 2, 30, 38, 45, 54. So only 2. So we definitely know for sure that orange is the one who is being kept with Sanvi, and she is not going to win any prizes at all. So that is the first conclusion that we can draw from this. Ishan never announced two even or two odd number consecutively, which means if he starts with odd number, then there is going to be even, then there is going to be odd, and then it's going to be even. Or he can go with, if the first starts with even, then it can be odd, then it can be even, and that going to be odd. That is going to be the sequence that Ishan is going to follow. The first four numbers announced were multiples of 5. Okay, so the first four numbers that are going to be announced, this first number, this second number, this third number, and that's going first four numbers, these are going to be a multiple of 5. That's the question is saying. And he did not announce 17 or 36 at any point, which means 17 and 36 are not going to be you can say eliminated by the end of the round. So I will just mark a cross on it, which means they will remain as it is. 17 is going to remain as it is, and 36 is going to remain as it is, which means these numbers, what is better rather than making a cross on it, because some might confuse that this is getting eliminated. I will just mark it with purple. This is going to remain as it is, this is going to remain as it is, this is going to remain as it is. These are not going to be eliminated by any means. So we can definitely conclude by this that full house is going to be achieved by this ticket, because if a number is not going to be eliminated, then the game is not going to be ended, or you can say the full house is won by only that individual who is going to cut every number on a ticket. So because 17 and 36 are going to remain as it is, so full house is going to be won by Pinty, and she is possessing the yellow ticket. So that is the conclusion that we can make. Sonti had more odd numbers on a ticket than Anvi. So we have only two candidates, Sonti and Anvi. So let's check the odd numbers here on blue ticket and green ticket, and whichever ticket has more number of odd number, that will belong to Sonti. So 4 is an odd number, 1, 17 is 2, 31 is 3, 49 is 4, and 51 is 5. So we have 5 odd numbers on the blue. On green we have 9 is 1, 17 is 2, 25 is 3, 45 is 4. So we have 4 odd numbers. So definitely we can conclude from this that blue is the Sonti and green is Anvi. So we have figured out the names of the ones who are possessing the tickets. So this is definitely fine. First four was achieved when Ishan announced the fourth number. Now you have to visualize this further. That Sanvi is not going to win any ticket. Full house is going to be achieved by Pinty. So first four is going to be achieved by either Sonti and Anvi. And we know for sure that first four number that Ishan announced. They were multiple of 5. So we have to look for such a ticket which has 4 multiples of 5. So in such a case, first four is going to be awarded by that person. So if you look at closely to Sonti, he has 4, 11, 17, 22, 31, 38, 49, 51 and 54. He is not even has a single multiple of 5. So first four is not going to be achieved by Sonti. First four is going to be achieved by Anvi. And this is not first 8. First four is going to be achieved by Anvi. And she is going to cut, you can say 25, 30, 45 and 60. I don't know what order she is going to be, whether 25 is going to come first or 30 is going to be first. I am not sure about that, but I'm definitely sure that these are the numbers which are going to be eliminated when she cuts, you can say, first four numbers. So that's the first thing that we can reduce. Okay. And what I will ensure that in order to avoid any confusion, as I ensure that Anvi is done first for 25, 30, 45, 60, I will also be marking them with the same color, so that I can be rest assured that these are the numbers which are being cutted by other candidates also when first four is achieved. So we have to cut, circle those numbers which are 25, 30, 45 and 60. Let's go with blue. Doesn't have any one number itself of which are common with green. And we have 25 is the one which is going to be cut. 30, 45 and 60. 30, 45 and 60, there is no number here. So Sanvi is only going to be one number which is common. And in Pinty we have 25, 30, 45, 60. So we have 30 is there and 45 is there. So once as Ishan announced first four numbers, Anvi is going to cut every four numbers that is going to be announced by Ishan. Sanvi is going to cut only one number and Pinty is going to cut only two numbers. That's the kind of conclusion that we are making. First 8 was achieved when Ishan announced the 12th number. So what does this means? First 4 is achieved, then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this is number, this from here to here. This is 5th to 12th. So once Ishan announced, the rest of the 8 numbers, consecutive 8 numbers that Ishan is going to announce by 5th, from 5th to all the way to the 12th, after that first is going to be achieved, which means we know that first 8 is going to be achieved by Sonti. So which means Ishan announces 4, 11, 22, 31, 38, 49, 51 and 54. These 8 numbers in some order. I don't know the order, but I know for sure that Ishan is going to announce these 8 numbers, and after that first is going to be achieved. So what we can do is mark these numbers in by a different pen. Let's go with 4 blue. So once Ishan announces these numbers, first 8 is going to be achieved. And similarly, we know these numbers if these numbers belongs to someone else tickets also, they will be also cutting these numbers. So let's check whether these numbers are on to someone's else ticket or not. So 4 is on Pinty, so there is 4. So 4 is done. Then let's go with Sanvi first rather than going to one by one. Let's check for Sanvi. 15 is not there, 15 is not there, 22 is there. Okay, so 22 is there. 36 is not going to be cut in any circumstances. 40 is not there, 48 is not there, and 51 is there. Okay, so 2 numbers. Then check with Pinty. 4 is there, 5 is not there, 12 is not there, 22 is there, yes. 31 is there, yes. 49 is there, yes, and 51 is there, yes. Then we check on green. 9 is not there, 12 is not there, 17 is not going to be cut, 25, 30 is already done, 38 is there, yes, 54 is there, yes. So until 12 numbers are announced, these are the numbers which are going to be cut by every candidate. That's assured to us. Full house was achieved when Ishan announced the 14 number, which means the 13 number and 14 number that Ishan's announced. This is the 13 number and this is the 14 numbers. Once Ishan announced 13 and 14 numbers, full house is going to be achieved. So we know that the last 2 numbers which are going to be cut are 12 and 5 in some order. I don't know, 5 can come first, 12 can come later, or 12 can come first, 5 can come later. So 12 and 5 are those numbers. So this is the 5, no, not 15. Why I'm marking 15? So this 5 is also going to be cut, and 12 and 5, and this 12 and 5. Okay, so this is the conclusion that we are making right now, that these are the numbers which are going to be cut by the end of the round. So this is done. Ishan only announced numbers that appear on at least one player's ticket. So he is not going to announce any number which is not anyone's ticket. We are, like, we know for sure because this is the kind of conclusion that we're making. So based on that, we can draw this much information. So let's check the questions first, whether we can answer all the questions or not. Who won the first 8 prize? So first 8 prize was definitely won by Sonti. When Ishan announced the last number, which we know can be either 12 or 5. This can be either 12 or 5, or it can be either 5 or 12. When Ishan announced the last number, Sanvi also cut a number on a ticket. So when Ishan is announcing this number, it can be 5 or 12. Sanvi is cutting one number on a ticket. So either Sanvi could have a 5 or either Sanvi could have a 12. What does Sanvi have? Sanvi has a 5. So which means the last number is going to be 5. The 13th number, and this is the 12th number. Let me make it like this. The 13th number and the 12th number. So the last number that Sanvi is going to cut is 5. So the 13th, I'm making silly mistakes. I don't know why. This is not, like, 12 is there. So this is 13th and this is 14th. The last number, this 13th number can either be 5 or 12, or this can be either 12 or 5. That's the conclusion that we are making. Now also based on this, we can also ensure that when Ishan is announcing the last number, then you can say Sanvi is cutting one number on itself. So it can be the 12 or 5. Sanvi has 5. So this last number is definitely, we can say, 5. And this 13 number has to be 12. So what is the question is saying? What is the 13 number announced by Ishan? So 13 number announced by Ishan is 12. How many numbers had Anvi cut by the first 8 was achieved? So first 8, we have to check for red and blue. So for Anvi, we have red and blue. So 25, 30, 38, 45, 60 and 54. So 6 numbers were cut by the time first 8 was achieved. So this is the 6. What was the sum of all the numbers cut by the players by the end of the game? So if you calculate the sum, it would come out to be 929. So 929 is the sum by the end of the game. So this is a set. I hope you like the set, and in the further series also we will keep on exploring more sets, more diversity of sets, which you can say had mixed or blended logic onto them. So I hope you like this set, and yeah, I'll see you soon on to the next session.